What's up guys, it's Chef Bryce Taylor with Flavor for Life. Our goal in McCormick's Flavor for Life is to teach people how to use herbs and spices to make food taste better. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make healthier food options by lowering salts, sugars, and fats. And you might be thinking, well, how can I pull that off and still make it taste good? Trust me, it's a lot easier than you think. Today we're going to be using one of my favorite spices, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great replacement for sugar. Overnight oats are super easy to make and it'll give you that energy you need to get through your day. So let's get started. First, you're going to add your 2 cups of quick oats. So you're going to add your 2 cups of almond milk. We're going to add the honey. Now if you don't have honey, you can use brown sugar. Honestly, either or works. Then we're going to add the cinnamon. Next, 2 cups of diced apple. I'm just going to thoroughly mix that up. So once you're done mixing, you're just going to place it into the jar. And once you've done and you filled it, you're just going to pop the lid on, slide it into the fridge. Now, I pre-prepared the overnight oats for the demonstration to show you how to assemble it using your banana chips and granola. So we're just going to grab a banana chip and sprinkle the granola right on top. Adds a nice crunchy texture. As you can see, the overnight oats are fun and easy to make, it's delicious, and it really provides you that energy you need to get through the day.